Hello students, so this is SriRam Shastri. I once again welcome you back to a new video session regarding how to draw a female reproductive system in human reproduction chapter. So to begin with, simply, it's a fast drawing technique what I would like to teach you all. So human female uterus is generally pear shaped. So pear shaped uterus, you have to draw it like this. So this is the beginning of the uterus structure, this is the cervical region. Okay, then you can continue it like this is the vaginal canal or vaginal tract. Okay, so this forms the vaginal canal, vaginal tract. Now there is the second layer of the uterus, that is the middle layer, myometrium, and the innermost layer, which is uneven in thickness, forms the endometrium. This is the endometrial lining. Same thing you can draw it here. So these are the two layers. This is the innermost layer, that is the endometrium. So if you want, you can show it with the dotted structure so that you separate these three layers from each other. Now all three layers, they are joined at one region, and they continue internally into the structure called fallopian tube. This is the fallopian tube. So you can draw it symmetrical diagram like this. Then they have finger like projections. These finger like projections are called as fimbriae. In this region also same thing, finger like projections called fimbriae. Then on the wall of uterus itself, they are having a ligament called meso-ovarium. Meso-ovarium is generally connected to the ovaries, right? So this is what is the female reproductive system. You can put the heading here, female reproductive system. So this is very important for your theory as well as your what you call as entrance exams. So this is the first region of fallopian tube called isthmus. Okay, this is ampulla, this is infundibulum, this is infundibulum. These finger like projections are called as fimbriae. Okay, this region is meso-ovarium. Okay, and this outer layer is perimetrium. This is the muscular layer called myometrium, and the innermost layer is endometrium. So combinedly it forms the uterine linings. This region is the uterus, or what we commonly called as womb. This is the cervical canal. This opening is cervix. This is vaginal canal. So if you are interested, you can add one more structure here, which is a small gland actually. This is Bartholin's gland, right? Or vestibular gland or Bartholin's gland, and this is Bartholin's duct. It secretes mucus. Now this structure, what you see, it is called as ovary, and this complete structure is the fallopian tube. That's it. So this completes the diagram of female reproductive system. I hope you might have clearly understood stepwise how to draw a female reproductive system. Thank you.